Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make a scrapbook for your posts or for you to print it. Here, I'll be using CorelDraw, a designing program. So let's start by dragging the image of a scrapbook paper texture just like this. Texture, I mean. And then you just resize it just like so, and then drag it to the center just like this, and then select this part, and then select intersect under shape, and then click intersect with this so that the whole paper texture is created just like so. And here I imported or dragged some pictures of different types of cakes that we're going to put on this paper as part of the scrapbook look. So let's start by maybe resizing these pictures just like this, and then you drag one of the pictures, and then you select head over to order by right clicking on the picture, and then head over to front on page, click on it, and then you do it just like this. Select the remaining images, and then right click on the images, and then head over to order, and then click on to front of page just like this, so that it goes in front of the scrapbook paper texture. Alright, maybe we have to add some stroke. Double click here, and then adjust the width, for example this, and then you want to change the color into white just like this. Nah, actually it doesn't work, so let's make some frame by maybe doing some adjustments with this by creating a rectangle as a frame by clicking on the rectangle tool, and then you can color the frame with whichever color that you want. For example, white. I will start with white, and then click on this, and then order, head over to order, and then go to back one just like this. No, order, and then click on in front of, and then you select the paper texture just like this, and then you just merge them all by selecting the objects, the frame and the picture, and then you click on group objects just like this. Easy to make photo frame. Alright, let's do some positioning. For example, you want to rotate it, and then you click on the selected object, which is the picture again, and then you rotate it so that it looks like this pretty much, and then you resize the picture so that it looks like this. And then you can add some shadows so that it will have this shadow effects like what you've seen from a scrapbook. So let's head over to this, hold the left click button, and then head over to shadow just like this, and then drag the picture, and then the shadow is created. It's looking fancy. You can even adjust the transparency or the visibility of the shadow just like this by dragging here. Maybe not too visible, and then you can even adjust the smoothness of the shadow by dragging the slider below the shadow feathering tool, feature just like this. Maybe I want to decrease the feathering just like so, and then I would like to just decrease the visibility of the shadow so that it looks like this. Alright, we're done. Maybe let's make a sticky tape that you can put on your pictures. So head over here, and then hold the left click button, and then select freehand, and no, let's say if you want to do some curves, hold the left click button here, and then head over to Bezier just like this, and then create any type of sticky tape. For example, you do it like this. Hold the left click button to make it curvy just like so, and then you make it curvy again, and then you just put it like this, and then boom. Alright, this is our first sticky tape object that we just created. We can color it with the color that you want. For example, Pick a color, maybe blue violet, just like this, and then you can even adjust the color of the outlines by right clicking on the color from the palette on the right side panel, just like so. And then you can even adjust the thickness by clicking on here. Double click on this part, which is the outline pen tool, and then you can increase the width of the sticky tape, just like this. You can even adjust the shape of the the outlines, whether you want it round or you want it sharp. I prefer round, actually, just like this. Then when you're done, just like so. You can adjust the size, or maybe you can copy and paste it again, and then you adjust the positioning of the sticky tape, and then you want to color it with another color that you want, just like this, for example. And then you can do this for the other images. You can even add more frames by creating a rectangle for each picture, and then just right click on it and then head over to order, and then click on behind and then select the picture, and then the frame will go behind the picture, and then it will look like this. Doesn't it look cool? So this is how you can make a scrapbook kind of look in CorelDraw. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.